Good.
Thanks.
Having a good day?
Yeah, so far. A lot of some friends there and a lot of cool cars. You're driving today? Or
Pancake, come.
Pancake?
She's with me. Well, now she's with you. How are the track conditions?
Yep.
Very good.
Good?
Yeah.
Awesome. So, good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Nürburgring. As you can see, I have my, well, I did not do my hair because it's going to be a helmet hair day. Helmet means either going something very fast or going on the track day where helmets are mandatory in comparison to tourist and foreign public session Nürburgring, or both. And today it is actually track day. Also, as you can see, we're running the GT2 RS MR. Yeah, it is still an MR. It's not the equipment. Yeah, well, whatever. Let's leave that story out of the question for now. As a taxi, this means it's actually a track day and Manthey-Racing track day. So my friend Luca is already, I think, in the car, getting buckled in to go for his lap. How excited are you?
Very.
Good.
I'm scared.
Scared. Have fun.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks. You're welcome. Awesome.
Was a good wake up?
Yeah, it was awesome. Fast, but not as scary.
Not as scary.
Yeah.
That's good. So worth the wait for like 1 year.
Yeah.
Good. Well, car is gonna do more laps, and I think I should head out and change my slippers for more appropriate footwear and check out the track day myself. All right, fast forward to the actual track day, and before we're gonna head out onto the track, let's do a couple of car spottings, I would say. It's a car park filled, of course, with only Porsches, because a reminder, a Manthey-Racing track day is limited to Porsche brand only, and on top, if you have an MR kit, this means that you get a track day participation free of charge. So it's worth the money, like extra worth the money, not only increased performance for your car, but also free track time. So I have here a GT2 RS, a non-MR, which is actually kind of exclusive for this day, I would say. We're probably gonna see less non-MR cars than MR cars. This is my more or less prediction, I think. But maybe I'll be wrong, maybe I'll be wrong. Here, a GT3 RS MR with the new Manthey logo, by the way. A GT3, very nice spec. Look at that. Look at this one. I like it a lot. A 996 Cup, but it's more than that alone, I think. There's something extra to it. Love it, love it. Oh, and of course the Golf livery GT2 RS MR. This is fantastic. Mind-blowing spec. Oh, Baram. I think it was him. Yeah, no, it's him, then we have another GT3 RS MR, very known familiar car. Also GT3 RS, I think also MR, yep, also MR, but Mark 1. Ooh, I like that one. Then we have a GT4, not an RS, but hoping that an RS model will follow soon. Obviously this is 981 gen, but we'll be talking about the 982 gen. And speaking of which, I think we will be going out for a lap later in the GT4 MR. Oh, that's a cool car cover. Let's check it out, and after that we'll proceed there to have a look more at the other cars. Look at that. I should get it for my Golf. Or any other car. This just looks amazing. Ooh, new merch.
Yes.
You finally got it.
Yes, of course.
I'll be definitely spending some money here today. That's
you lose
cool.
a lot of money in my store.
Yeah, because last time you could only buy it online, I believe, when you had the 25-year anniversary coming in.
Yeah.
Now
That's the new heritage collection. The
Cool.
complete collection.
Really nice.
It's also available now in my store in the Boulevard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Open all day.
Nice. Definitely stop by there as well.
Yes, also for women.
Oh yeah.
Some polo shirts and vests.
Well, I need to get a woman first before I'm gonna buy woman clothing.
You have a small little tiny dog, so
That's you need to get a dog collection. That's
maybe a line, a leash.
yeah, a leash. Cool. I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, socks.
Yes.
I'll be definitely getting those. I gotta go film more cars, not socks. Wow, that's really cool. That's really cool. But now let's check out some more cars, yeah, before we're gonna go checking out more socks. But socks are cool. Socks are cool. I need those. You could have seen probably earlier today. Okay, what else do we have? We have the GT4 of our friend Fabrice. Morning.
Hello.
We're going for some laps later, maybe.
Of course.
Awesome. Good weather today.
Yes.
Good.
But it's okay.
Yeah, no, it's good.
We need to drive this morning because after it would be. I think.
I would love to. Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
You can have a steering wheel if you want.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
wow.
of course.
Not gonna say no. Cool. I'm just gonna make a quick walk around and I'll see you
No
later.
worries, see you
Good, see you. Bye bye. Wow, it's such an amazing day, especially if you take into consideration that like last MR track days, the 2 consecutive days were filled with kind of less of rain, but now sunshine. We also had like predictions of rain, but rain can stay away. We need to have a bit of sunshine, a bit of sun, dry weather conditions so we can enjoy. Look at that, it's a 992. As you can see, I'm like getting like really speech yeah, I'm just being speechless. It's Alex, not in the Yugo, but it's fine. We can have some action. Maybe we can go out with him. Let's see if he still knows how to drive. It is actually a very valid question. He hasn't been here for 1.5 years, and I wonder if he can still do a 6 something. We'll see. There was like a big discussion at yesterday's table. Can Alex manage a sub-7 lap time? As a driver, yes, but after being for so long away, probably no. Honest opinion, but we'll see. Oh, you managed.
Yeah, I managed on first lap.
First lap.
After a year and a half.
Wow. Yeah, yesterday at the Balkan table, I said that you probably wouldn't be able to after being gone for so long.
Oh, okay, I'll prove you wrong again. And you owe me pancakes for being so dismissive of my skills and abilities.
Not dismissive. I said that you usually would be able to, and you did it before, but can you do it again after being so gone for so long?
Oh, ye of little faith, of course. Tires are a bit cold. No pressure in the tires. Honestly, it's 1.8 bar.
No.
We'll manage.
Is that a sub-7 license plate? Our friend Seb. Was that a middle finger or was it come here? Nice one.
It's makes you faster.
Makes you faster.
Fast.
How fast are you now?
I love it.
Oh, cool. That's cool. Check out the merch of the Dacia, and there's also another t-shirt coming soon. Maybe it will be released by the time this video gets published. Yeah, so check it out, a special one. How's the car? Good?
Perfect. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Good. Happy to hear that. Next time we go out in your own GT4.
Sure.
This is not a GT4 obviously, but Dimitri has a GT4 on order which didn't come in time. First world problems, but now we sort you out.
It came actually a bit later than in time, but it's now in Moscow, so
okay.
it has to be delivered here.
Yeah, it's a bit of a struggle to get cars delivered from Russia. I know everything about it, but yeah,
Especially
soon.
in Corona times.
Yeah, especially that. Well, enjoy your laps. I'll see you later.
See you later.
Cool. So yeah, Dimitri from Atomic got our Cayman to do some laps, and here we have, I think is it Annalena's car? It looks like it. Yeah, it is. But it's not her driving. I wonder who it is. She's on the passenger seat, so probably she has a coach with her. Enjoy your passengering.
Yeah.
It's Nico Verdonk, race car driver. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where's your Corrado?
I have 2 Coronas.
You have 2 Corrados. We definitely need to find out more about it.
A big
Yeah.
Corrado and the exclusive Corrado.
Nice. We should check it out sometime. Yeah, so one of the vlogs I showed a very nice purple Volkswagen Carrade in front of Manthey-Racing, and it belongs to Robbie, the guy who's doing all the tire pressures of all the record cars. You probably seen him in the video when I made the video of the GT3 RS MR. He's also on the pictures of GT2 RS lap record, so yeah, very important fella. And also important part of Manthey-Racing track days is that you get a full technical support. So if you need to have done your tire pressures by the same guy who does all the lap record cars or anything else, you are sorted. Yeah, also mirrors can be adjusted by the technical support crew. Very important. So basically, very high quality service by Manthey-Racing for very demanding cars.
How are you?
How are you?
Yeah.
How much for a lap?
How much for nothing today.
Oh no.
Doing some filming.
Ah yeah, I heard, for Porsche France.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
Exactly.
Congratulations on your win.
Thank you.
I mean,
thank you.
Yeah, I already kind of congratulated you when you were there, but you were all
Thanks.
away. Good.
Thanks.
Having a good day?
Yeah, so far.
Yeah.
A lot of some friends there and a lot of cool cars. So
Good.
it's good.
Good.
You're driving today or just filming?
I don't know. Well, I'm filming, passengering, maybe driving.
A good job with the Dacia. It was. I mean, it's not easy. I guess it's really not easy. But in the end, at least when I was driving, you guys did well. Always at the right spot. But I have to say, it's slow compared to us. It's really.
Yeah.
I mean, it's good that you guys have experience and just know where to go, because otherwise would be a
I know. Lots of drivers actually said that if only everyone of other cars like this, also from faster cars.
You guys are driving a bit alone again, you know, and the other guys are still racing. So but for sure, you were kind of. We were expecting you to stay there, and you stayed there. Some other cars just.
No, it's good. Also very important. Lunch or breakfast, or I don't know, we'll find out. Oh, thank you. Ooh, 5 small ones. And a fast forward back to Apex because we have a special taxi guest. So let's have a look.
You gonna go in the taxi?
Yeah.
I hope you fit.
No.
Do you know what size helmet you would wear?
The biggest setup.
Brauchst du ein bisschen Öl?
Ja, geht. Hi. That's great.
Totally forgot to introduce our passenger, by the way. This is Markus Rühl, ex-pro bodybuilder, and nowadays Instagrammer, YouTuber, influencer, content creator. You can follow him on video description. Let's see how he performed.
Unglaublich, wie war sowas aus? Soll ich ausmachen? It was fun.
Yeah. See you, man.
Yeah. You wanna go?
Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
You too. Oh, and another MR. And actually, looks like the actual record car. Well, that's pretty much it, comrades. It's been an amazing track day here at Manthey-Racing Track Day. I hope you guys enjoyed all the content. Yes. Seb is very happy with his Dacia shirt. And as mentioned, there is a new one. So check out the merch section or the video description and come over for the next Manthey-Racing Track Day, because this has been absolutely amazing. So thank you to the whole team of Manthey-Racing, of Porsche, the equipment, of all the track day participants, everyone who took me out for a lap. It's been unforgettable, great weather. Hopefully we're gonna have the same weather for the next time. And just one more look at all these amazing cars. No, wait, we need to look at the food shot. So I believe I'm too late for hamburgers, but I believe there is still some dessert left. So let's go check out Devil's Diner. Let's check out what's Kévin doing. Nah, maybe we're not allowed to show that. Maybe another time, at some point.